I've just quilted this design. It's one row. Now I'm ready to advance my quilt and start the second row. I want to show you how I'm going to determine where to start that second row. I've got a transparency in my hand, and I used washable markers to mark on it. You could also use a vis-a-vis. I put a green dot where the stitching started. Then I used blue to trace over the upper portion of the design, because that's going to be the part I want to nest up to the lower portion of the design once I start stitching again. So I just have to shift it down, and when I reach the point where it's nested like I want to, then I just mark again. And I can always trace and make sure it's exactly like I want it to be. And then once I get that definite spot, then I can just measure from that very first starting position to where I start the second row. And then I can always use whatever that measurement is as I keep advancing my quilt to know where to start the next row. And the transparency, once I'm through using it, I just mist it with water and wipe it off, and it's ready to go again. So this is a great way to help determine where to start your next row, especially when you're going to be nesting a design. And not have to do a whole bunch of measuring.